Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. I've been using these for about 3 weeks now and I really enjoy them. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the Buds. These are the Buds Plus. There are Buds as well. These are compatible with both Android and iOS, while the Galaxy Buds only work with Android. This also comes in different colors compared to the lower tier one as well. There's also a lot of other specs included, such as a difference between the charging time with your case and charging time in general. Very, very well positive things I like about these buds. But yeah. So in here you get your quick start guide. This tells you everything you need to know in how to install an app on your phone if you don't already have the wearable app, and how to use them. You can look at how to put your wingtips on, which are in addition to your ear tips. I think they're earbud tips. They have different sizes, and I just kept the ones that were already on there. But they provide more. What I really enjoy about these is the fact that you are able to charge the earpods in the case. Instead of having to charge everything at once. I know Apple AirPods do this, but I don't have an Apple device. I have an Android device. I actually have a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, to be more specific. And so with the Galaxy Buds, I'm able to use the Galaxy Wearable app and pair it with my phone fairly easily. So if I open these up, I have the nice color red. They come in other colors. But as you see, they're right there. They fit right in. They connect magnetically almost, I'd say. I'm not sure if that's fully correct, but they stay in there. They're not going to fall out if you tip it over. And they are a nice size. Now, I struggle with trying to find the right pair of headphones and earphones. And these fit very well, and they're comfortable. I really enjoy them a lot. And the sound is what I think it's spectacular. Some other specs about these. This has 22 hours of battery life. The earbuds themselves last up to 11 hours, but if you charge them in the case will help them last up to 22 hours. So like if you forget to charge them, just know that 3 minutes of charging the case gives you 60 minutes of playtime. That's very handy because I tend to be a procrastinator when it comes to charging things, and definitely would be very helpful when it comes to going and working out. I would actually have a lot of music to be able to listen to, even for 60 minutes. There are two external microphones, so it picks up your voice and isolates it from outside noises. And so that makes it very nice when it comes to using these in a very loud environment. I believe they call this ambient aware, and you can also adjust that in the wearable app as well. Now, in the app, you are allowed to change the settings, of which when you press them, you can change certain things. So I have mine set up so both go straight to Spotify. That's also something else with the Buds Plus, is that you have the ability to work with Spotify. In the app, you can change the settings. You can make it so you can skip the sound if you want. You can, or skip, or whatever you want. All that's customizable, but I just made it so that both go straight to Spotify. But here's what they look like. They're very comfortable. I haven't had any issues of falling out. Only time I did was when I got very sweaty. But that was just a one-time thing. In the app, it does have the Find My Earphones. So if you lose them and they're in the case, they will make a sound, which with something this small and this valuable is very helpful. So on the inside, you'll notice there's an LED light. That's just letting you know that they're fully charged, and it comes on the outside as well. The manual does have specifications on what those lights mean, but from what I've seen is if it's blinking red, it needs to be charged. Yellow means they're low, and green means that they're charging. And yeah, so here is a closer look at the case. I have the nice red one, and here's what it looks like on the inside. Very nice case. It's like a bean shape, so it's large enough to fit somewhere where you're not going to lose it, but also small enough to where it's not hard to put somewhere or easy to lose, in my personal opinion. But on the back there's the charging port, can't miss it, it's USB-C. So I really enjoy these. I appreciate the ambient aware function. I'm able to be fully involved in my music and have the ability to change that if I want. I also like the ability to track if I lose them, I'm able to find them. I also really enjoy having an app as well that lets me easily access different settings for these. So that's all I have for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Please check the description section below for the link to the product. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.